Hi, welcome to TunesKit. What do you do when your iPhone has a black screen and won't turn on, is stuck in recovery mode and can't exit, or fails during an update? Most people would likely try a force restart, but often that doesn't work. This is where iTunes comes in. iTunes was originally created by Apple as a simple music player and library tool. Over the years, it became the main software for managing iPhones and iPads. Although Apple later removed iTunes from macOS and split its features into separate apps, iTunes is still fully available and essential on Windows. So we're going to talk about iTunes in today's video. Let's get started. Part 1. iTunes for iPhone backups. iTunes allows you to create full device backups directly to your computer. This is useful when you want a safe copy of all your data and switch to a new iPhone, but don't want to rely only on iCloud storage. How to back up your iPhone using iTunes. Step 1. Install and open iTunes on your Windows PC. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Click the small iPhone icon at the top left of iTunes. This opens your device summary page. Step 4. Under the Backups section, choose where you want to save the backup. iCloud saves to Apple's cloud storage. This computer saves a complete backup locally on your PC. Step 6. Click Backup Now. iTunes will start creating a full backup. Just wait until it finishes. Once the backup is complete, you can find the backup file in the folder. If you need to transfer the backup to a new phone, you can also click this option, Disable Find My, and then follow the prompts to restore the data step by step. Part 2. When your iPhone has problems, restore and update via iTunes. iTunes becomes extremely useful when your iPhone has system issues, such as stuck on the Apple logo, stuck in recovery mode. In these situations, iTunes offers two options: Update iPhone and Restore iPhone. Update iPhone. Keep your data. This downloads the latest iOS version and reinstalls it without erasing your data. This should be your first choice if the device is stuck or acting strange. Restore iPhone. Erase all data. This resets your device completely and reinstalls iOS from scratch, useful when the system is corrupted or nothing else works. Step 1. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone. Use your USB cable and make sure iTunes detects your device. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode if it's stuck. Press volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until recovery screen. Your screen should show the Connect to Computer icon. Step 3. iTunes will pop up a message. It will say your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. You will see two buttons: Update, Restore. Step 4. Try Update first. Click Update and let iTunes download the latest firmware. This can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. iTunes will then reinstall iOS while keeping your data intact. Step 5. If Update fails, choose Restore iPhone. If the update doesn't work, click Restore iPhone. And turn off Find My. This will erase all data, reinstall a fresh version of iOS, bring the device back to factory settings. After that, you can restore your data from a backup. Step 6. Wait for the process to complete. Your iPhone will restart automatically when it's done. Keep the device connected the entire time. However, there are times when iTunes alone isn't enough. For example, when the firmware download keeps failing, the restore process gets stuck, where the device enters a loop and won't stay connected. That's where a dedicated repair tool can help. With TunesKit iOS System Recovery, you can fix most common iOS/iPadOS problems yourself without relying on Apple support. Here's an iPhone that got stuck on the Apple logo during a system update and won't exit. Let's use TunesKit to see if we can get it working normally again. First, connect your iPhone to PC. Then select iOS System Repair and press the Start button. Then choose Standard Repair. This mode allows you to perform basic repairs on your iPhone while ensuring your data remains intact and the original operating system is preserved. Next, confirm your device information is correct, then press the Download button to download the firmware package. Do not disconnect from the computer during the download process. Once downloaded, click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to complete. In a few minutes, your device will repair normally. No more restore failed errors, no data loss. You can unlock, swipe, and use apps smoothly. And that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.